It's time we did another system update. Type in sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands sudo apt-get upgrade. This will take a while. Type in sudo apt-get install qBittorrent -nox. Type in sudo apt-get install qBittorrent -nox. From the menu, select Internet qBittorrent. Click I agree. And from the Tools menu, select Options. Click on Downloads. Browse to the address where you want to save the downloaded files or paste in the address. If you like, you can keep the incoming torrents separate to your downloads. Place a tick in the box and paste in the path where the incomplete torrents will be stored. Click WebUI, tick Enable Web User Interface and set the port to 8888. Click Use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Type in a username, qTorrent, and a password, secret. Click on the Bypass Authentication for Localhost and click OK. Open up a web browser and point to the Raspberry Pi 192.168.1.68 on port 8888. You'll see the qBittorrent interface appear. Now let's try it from our PC. Type in the same address and enter in qBittorrent and secret as the password. The same web GUI interface appears. To increase download speed, we want to open up the torrent port on our router. Click Connections and take note of the port used for incoming connections, 6881. Go to your router. For mine, I go to Toolbox, Game and Application Sharing, then click on Create a new game or application. Type in qBittorrent as the name and click on Manual Entry of Port Maps. Click Next. Type in 6881 in the port range and the Translate to. Then click Add. Then click on Assign a game or application to a local network device. Find the qBittorrent application and the Raspberry Pi device from the drop-down menus. Then click Add. To check that the port is open, use a port forwarding testing web page. Type in the port number of 6881, then press the check button. What we want to see is that port 6881 is open. Type in CD to return home, then type sudo wget, then the web address to the big list file. This will take a while to download. When it's finished, unzip the file with the command sudo gzip -d biglist.p2p.gz. From the menu, select Internet, then qBittorrent. From the Tools menu, select Options, then click on Connection. Scroll down and tick the IP filtering box. Browse to the big list file, then press on the green circular arrow to load the file. Press OK when the file is loaded, then press OK. Type in sudo nano /etc/init.d /qBittorrent -nox -daemon. Paste in the script file, then press Ctrl X, type Y to save the file. Type in sudo chmod 755 /etc /init.d qBittorrent -nox -daemon. Type in sudo update -rc.d qBittorrent -nox -daemon defaults. Type in sudo service qBittorrent -nox -daemon start to start qBittorrent as a service. Let's download a file. I'm going to download the noobs file via torrent. Right click on Download Torrent and select Copy Link Location. Go back to the qBittorrent web user interface. Username qBittorrent, password secret, tick Remember Password. Click on the link icon, then paste the torrent into the window. Then click Download. You can log into the qBittorrent web user interface from your PC and also check on the download. Open up a new window and search for Remote Torrent Adder. Click on Remote Torrent Adder for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. Click Add. When it's finished downloading, close the tab. I'm going to delete this download. Click the minus sign, tick the box Also delete the files from the hard drive, and click Yes. Click on the 3 horizontal bars at the top right hand side of the Chrome window. Click on Settings, click on Extensions, then scroll down. Under Remote Torrent Adder, click on Options. Delete the server that's already there, then click Add Server. Type in the server name. I'm calling this Raspberry Pi. Click on Server Type. You want to select qBittorrent WebUI. Type in the host IP address of 192.168.1.68. The port number is 8888. Username qTorrent and the password is secret. Close the tabs and open a new tab. I'm going to download the Noobs torrent again. But this time I'm just going to left click the download torrent. A message at the bottom of the screen says that the torrent has been successfully added. If we go back to the qBittorrent web user interface, we'll see that we are downloading the Noobs file. We can also check the incoming directory and see that the Noobs file is being downloaded. To access the qBittorrent web user interface outside of our internal network, we have to open up the port number 8888. Click on Toolbox, then click on Game and Application Sharing, then click on New Game or Application. Type in the name qBittorrent WebUI, then click on Manual Entry of Port Map. Enter in the port range and translate to 8888. Then click Add. Then click on Assign a game or application to a local network device. Select the qBittorrent WebUI application and the Raspberry Pi device from the drop-down list, then click Add. Test the port by typing in 8888, then pressing Check. Once again, we're looking to see that the port is open. Type in sudo service qBittorrent -nox -daemon stop. Type in cp space -r ~/.local /share /data /qBittorrent /bt_backup /media /USB HDD. This will back up the .torrent files that are currently being downloaded. Using the File Explorer, browse to the Media USB hard drive, then look for the bt_backup folder. The files are now backed up. From your PC, browse to the Raspberry Pi under the USB hard drive, then right-click on the folder bt_backup and select Copy. Save these files on your computer. Then shut down the Raspberry Pi. I've taken out the micro SD card from the Raspberry Pi and placed it into the PC. We're going to load a previous backup copy of the Raspberry Pi where the qBittorrent service was working properly. Press right to restore the backup copy. Press yes till you want to continue. It'll take a while to write all the files to the micro SD card. Click OK when finished. Put the micro SD card back into the Raspberry Pi and boot it up. Copy the partially downloaded torrents back by typing sudo cp /media /USB HDD /bt_backup /star space ~/.local /share /data /qBittorrent /bt_backup. Then type sudo chown pi pi ~/.local share /data /qBittorrent /bt_backup /star. Then type chmod 755 space -R ~/.local /share /data /qBittorrent /bt_backup. Type sudo service qBittorrent -nox -daemon space start. Now your partially downloaded torrents will continue to download. Go to the Google Play Store and type in qBittorrent. Click on the application qBittorrent Controller. Click Install. Click Accept. After it's finished, click Open. Click on the 3 bars on the top left-hand side and click on Settings. Click on Connection Host. Type in 192.168.1.68 for your internal network. Click on Username. Type in qTorrent. Click on Password and type in Secret. Click on Advanced. Click on Connection Port and type in 8888. From the menu, if you click on the downloading, you'll be able to see what is currently in progress. And if you click on the completed, you'll see if there's any files that are completed downloading. On the three dots on the right hand side, you can pause or resume all downloads. Click on the file and hit the rubbish bin. If you click OK, the torrent will be removed from qBittorrent, but it will not be deleted from your hard disk. To delete the files from your hard disk, click the X button. Click OK and I'll delete the torrent from qBittorrent and I'll delete the file from your hard disk. Click the three dots and resume downloading. Time to update the system again. Sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. Enter Y when asked to continue. To install Apache web server, type in sudo apt-get install Apache 2 -y. From your PC, direct your internet browser to the Raspberry Pi. You should be able to see the default Apache web page. To edit the default Apache web page, type in sudo nano /var/www/index.html. Here I'm going to make a customization and just add the word mean_dean. Control X, enter Y to save the file. Go back and reload the page and you'll notice that the mean_dean comment now appears on the web page. To access the Apache web server from outside your network, you have to set up port mapping. From the toolbox, select Game and Application Sharing and create a new game or application. Type in www.py for the name of the application and click Manual Entry of Port Maps. Click Next. In the port range, type in 9999. And in the translate box, type in 80. Click Add. Click on Assign a game or application to a local network device. Select www.py from the Game or Applications drop-down list and select the Raspberry Pi from the Device drop-down list and click Add. Check that port number 80 is being forwarded. We're looking to see that port 999 is open. Do another system update. Sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. Type in sudo apt-get install MySQL server space --fix -missing. Type Y and press enter to continue. Enter in secret for the root password. Confirm the password by typing secret. Type in sudo apt-get install MySQL-client PHP 5-MySQL. Enter Y and return to continue. Type in sudo apt-get install MySQL-Workbench. Click on Menu, Programming and then MySQL Workbench. Click on New Connection. Type in Raspberry Pi for the connection name. Click on Password, Store in Keychain. Type in Secret, OK. And then Test Connection. Click OK. Click OK. Now on your PC, download the MySQL Workbench client. This can be downloaded from mysql.com. Download the version that suits your operating system. Click on No thanks, just start my download. Save the file to a location on your computer. Run the file once it's downloaded and install the defaults. Click on the plus icon next to MySQL Connections. Type in Raspberry Pi for the connection name, and then select standard TCP/IP over SSH. For the SSH host name, type in 192.168.68 on port 22. The username is Pi. Click on Password Store in a Vault and type in secret. Click on Password Store in Vault for the root user and type in secret. Click Test Connection. Click OK and click OK. Double-click on the Raspberry Pi connection to test that it works. Type in sudo apt-get install PhpMyAdmin. Select Apache 2 by pressing the space bar. Press Tab to move to the OK button and press Enter. Press Enter. Type in secret for the password. Type in secret and confirm the password once more with secret. Type in sudo nano/etc/apache2/apache2.conf. Scroll down to the bottom of the file and add the line include/etc/apache.myadmin/apache.conf. Press Ctrl X and Enter to save the file. Type in sudo/etc/init.d/apache2 /restart. Open up a web browser on the Raspberry Pi and point it to the local host /PhpMyAdmin. You can log in with the username of root and secret. Now to test the connection from your PC. Open up a web browser and point it to the Raspberry Pi 192.168.1.68 /PhpMyAdmin. Log in as root with the password as secret. Type sudo apt-get install iceweasel. From the menu, click on Internet and click iceweasel. Search for Download Video Helper iceweasel. Click on the iceweasel Firefox add-ons, and if it's compatible with your version of iceweasel, click on the Add to Firefox. Go to WinSCP.net and download WinSCP. Save the file to a location on your hard disk. Install the file once it's downloaded. Launch WinSCP. In the hostname, type in 192.168.1.68. In the username, type in Pi and the password is secret. Click Save. Tick the Save Password and click OK. Click on the Login button. Click Yes. Now you can easily transfer files from your PC to your Raspberry Pi or vice versa. The PC's files are on the left-hand side and the files on the Raspberry Pi are on the right-hand side. Download the following file from github.com. Type in ls-l to get a list of the files in your current directory. You'll notice there's a directory called Dropbox-uploader. Type in cd Dropbox-uploader to change to that directory. Type in chmod +x Dropbox_uploader.sh. Type in /Dropbox_uploader.sh. Read the instructions on the screen. Click on the link to the Dropbox Developers Apps. Log into your Dropbox and click on App Console. At the top right-hand corner, click Create App. Click on the Dropbox API app. Click on No, my app needs access to files already on Dropbox, and click on All File Types. Create a name for your app. I've called mine Dean's Drop Pi. Click Create App. Copy the app key string and paste it back into the Raspberry Pi shell where it's waiting for you to enter in the app key. Click on the Show App Secret. Type in the letters as you see them. You won't be able to copy and paste these ones. Type F, enter. Type Y, enter. Click on the link to the Dropbox authorization token. Click Allow. Run the script with the command list by typing ./Dropbox_uploader.sh list. I'm going to upload the license file to Dropbox by typing ./Dropbox_uploader.sh upload license /. Now check your Dropbox and look for the file license. That worked fine. Let's try downloading. I'm going to download this folder called Mazda by typing ./Dropbox_uploader.sh space download space Mazda space / media USB HDD. If we browse to the media USB HDD folder, we'll see there's a new folder called Mazda. That's it for my 2-part step-by-step Raspberry Pi tutorial. I hope it's helped you get up and running a lot quicker.